go give me your toys? Clean your toys. Bring me all your toys, okay? Where are your toys? Good girl. You still have more toys. Go get your other toys. Thank you. You got 2 more toys. Go get your other toys. Chloe. Chloe, go get your other toys. Oh, in my hand. Oh, you still missed it. Thank you. Can you get your last toy, Chloe? Get your last toy? Go get your last toy. No, not out of your paw. The one that's out there, Chloe. Clean up your mess. Go get your last toy. Good girl. Okay, let's sit. Sit. Lay. Are you ready for bed? Are you ready for bed? You ready for a treat? Okay. There you go. All right. Sit and say goodnight. Shake. Thanks.